video, I'll be showing you how you can create an auto login just so you can log in Linux desktop right away without any hassle or inconvenience. This is not secure, but it is quick and convenient. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to click New Source. Then you want to select Auto Logon. Then you want to enter name. We'll just call this Auto. Then you want to hit OK. And the reason why we're going to hit OK is that generally speaking, we leave the username separate, or we leave it blank. We don't touch it, and then we just leave source type alone as well. So just click OK, let everything be the default, and then drag the screen down that you want administrator with, hit apply, and then now you'll be able to automatically log into Linux desktop without a password or username. Once again, this is not secure, but it is quick and convenient and allows you to administrate your system with next to no hassle. So that concludes today's videos. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.